Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is answering to the lady that she said is the lady in Portland. Now, she didn't call any names, so I'm not going to go ahead and do that either. And she's saying, that basically the lady keeps calling her name and there must be a stop to it. Guys, go ahead and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and when I post, you will know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, I wish you joy, peace, happiness, prosperity, and love throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies that are out there, that you're just my supporters, my friends, my family, and subscribers, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. And remember to keep in touch with yourself. What do I mean about that? Keep in touch with yourself is to keep focused on you at all times. And don't keep focus on someone else. The time that we sit sometimes and focus on someone else's life is time wasted. When we sit and take a breath or a breather and just focus on ourselves, we're able to do such great things, a lot of things, just by focusing on us. So take the time to focus on you and shift your focus from other people. Have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. And remember to keep that smile upon your face, always smiling, no matter what. Because a smile can be taken from you only if you allow it to. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
Have stroke. The way the amount of ass dick where you suck. You know see, you can't fuck. Your pussy full of corpus in there. Congo worm and near out your blood clot and a powder. A hash is a drop out of your dirty pussy. So you can't come talk about my man? A your man, that what you are describe. You can't describe my nice hot sexy man with strong like a lion. Not for your one. You're one of your whole man you fuck. Cause you don't have no pussy to manage no young boy. So you have to go there and suck them. They look up is a whole ugly man when I see through one flowers. The last time you take picture with somebody drop and say, come give me that one glasses, one bifocal with the ugly black man, wearing black like a tar. That the man didn't have nothing in trousers from the turn up. So you know see a piece sucking here. Do you know see you look cranny? You know see disease them come out by your skin. That you know see you can't come in a camera come show. You know, see, as much as me have can't see, I am blind here, how can I come out in a camera? You can't come out in a camera for 5 minutes. Not even 2 minutes you can't look in a camera where your blood clot cranny ugly. You can't even look in a camera. You can't even put up your hand. Come show me your hand. Come hold up your hand like this, let me see it. See my own here. Come hold it up. Come hold up your hand, let me see it. Come hold it up. Come hold it up. And one hand did burn me right there so. Back in the days, right there so. It might not come out yet, a high hand, but me. Come show me. Come show me for your hand. Come show me. You look like somebody with chink a bite up at night time. Come see it. Come look. With your one piece of clothes where you have. Come show me. Come show me. You look a piece of one so butch self. The man no want it till you walk on a suck pay her pussy at night time. You know, say you have 3 mongrel dog in them a grind, you kind of man no want you, bitch. No man no want you. The 2 little mongrel dog in there fuck you up every night. Cause no man no want you. The only thing left to pick you up is a drunk cross. Say drunk on must wait until last breath come out of your body for them come near you. Cause you can't blood clot berry. A drunk cross near you. The way you can stink up the cemetery. Move your dirty blood clot from you. You can't cuss nobody, bitch. You can't talk about my good up man. You have none. After you pussy down and bung up, you can't hold none. You have to walk a suck dog dick a Portland. Nobody no want you, nobody no like you up there. You can't come talk to these 10 people. You have no good bed of sleep and a pay chink in a fear bed and crab house. Look for your body. Look for your body. Look for your body cranny. Look for your body sorry. You talk about roach all the while. Look for me. Me there with roach. You there with crab louse and chink. I peel lice and chink bite you up. Look for your skin. Go stretch out your hand there. Me see your hand on the camera. And me say blood clot is a woman that have disease. You don't see your skin tan. Come stretch out your hand and show me so. If you think you're bad, stretch out your blood clot and show me this. And show me your hand. If you think you're bad. Stretch it out, let me see. See my one here. Stretch it out and let me see it. Let me see your cranny skin. Before you come a bright up yourself with decent citizen. You're bright and hot harder. Move from yourself with your little dry up corpus pussy self. You go back to the cemetery. You need some more embalm. You look like you need embalm. That's the way you forget. That's why you have embalm pussy. Your pussy not serve no use out here. And that's what you need. And that's what you have. Don't size up yourself. Don't size up yourself and don't size up. Although my man don't know you and him wish not to know you, but don't size up yourself. You're none of your man them in your lifetime can walk in a film shoes no time of day. Me not ask you. Move, go and go suck it. Look how you look. You suck too much dick that you're so addicted to cigarette. Every second you have your smoke. Right now you probably have blood clot lung cancer. Your doctor probably even give you 6 months or ass leave, make you come and be a pest in a people's life. Move your dirty blood clot dead body cell from yourself and go sit down, cranny woman. You can't talk about nobody. Yeah? You can't talk about nobody. You're fucking lucky, so you almost look like a dopey already. Nobody no want to mix with you. You're lucky, so we're sorry for you. You look like you want to sweat again like last year. You dirty bitch. You want to sweat again like last year on the page. Where you tell you have corona. You want to sweat again. May somebody make you sweat. Remember somebody make you sweat on the page? Anton fool. Remember somebody box down your ass in one bar? You have to run through bar and come in with your mouth blood up. With your mouth box down because you chat too much and people fix your ass business for you. And that you could do when you mess with the wrong people. I come on social media go on like say you are somebody. What you need to do is to come up on my page. Talk about every night me cuss. Go tell the woman where I sit down on my page 24/7 a day. Go and tell the woman where they on social media right there so long. I cuss me and my boyfriend. And I talk all kind of story. What make you go talk about that? If you don't want to hear me cuss, you come up on my page. It's simple as that. You don't want to hear me cuss, you come right off. You ain't welcome over here. Over here is called the reality show of Marcia Life. Me is not a blogger. If me not a blogger, I'm not play other people's video. You come over here, come your originality. So if you don't want to hear me and know what I am doing, don't come here. You're too fucking enough, but you come and make comments. You're brighty. Me never know say your name Marcia Campbell. Oh, your name Marcia Campbell. Oh. You're too rash enough. You want to hear the cussing. That's why you log on here every night. I can't years old listen. Yes, that's why you come up here every night. All when them hate me like a poison. Then come up here and cut them ears. What you think? And then make up something. Hold on. Yeah. So them are the same one come up here every time and I cut them ears while I listen to me. I cut them ears while and listening to me. Bad man and grudgeful come over here I do better than them. Them have to share the dividends. See. They may sit down over here comfortable and over here. Me come over here, me I give them a rat race for them channel. The fuck are them nervous. That's what happened. They don't want me over here. Cause when them know say easy if you strike out them ass. Them know say none say me they over YouTube. So all see them a go on and them nervous. Cause them don't know when it's coming. Mark my 10 members only. All them a go on over there and a play me something. Them nervous. Me not ask you. All she over there show off herself. And about take this, she nervous out her ass. Nobody no want get strike over here, much less get 3 strike. Nobody no want lose no form of getting no strike for go make them page take down for 30 days or 60 days. Don't even talk if me strike her 3 times. Because if me can strike her 10, she get 10. If me can strike her 100, me I strike her 100 times. When me go down on the geek squad. Me not ask you. If I know until the end of the year, me I catch her. All when she stop calling me, me I lick her down. Me I strike her. Me not ask you. Because she gone far. She gone far, far, far. She don't want it. She over there exalt up herself and a go on and dip upon the man friend. You come like a idiot. Come my man and know no count you. If you see her right now, just give you one blood clot boop over the so. Cause you don't know we are rampant. Him just smile. You don't know we are rampant. Me not ask you. Me not ask you, dirty woman from Portland. You don't know who you are playing. Me not brag and me not boast. You don't know who the rest you are ramp with. But him not have to count you because him don't know you. Word is wind. All you have to do is to make sure say somebody see me and send that blood clot picture to you. And you put it on your page and dash it out on social media if me not dash it out there. And that's all the argument where him have to wall with you. And me and you dey on social media so we can argue back and forth. But any day somebody see me and him and take a picture and send come here, me not ask you. Not even Portland police can save you where you get. Not even Portland Police Department can save you where you get if you ever put out in picture on social media before me put out it. Me not ask you. And that is this bold statement me I make. So you calling him all kind of way me here over there cause him that is like a kiss teeth. You can't call me any name where you want to call me. Because first of all, me dip up on there what's it not it every day. And me and you dip on social media. No you and him. Me and you. So you entitled to tell me anything, I'm entitled to tell you anything. Because it's all with on social media. But you can't cuss him because him don't know you. And him not blogging people out here. Him not a blogger. So where you talk about and go on so, you just a chat pay shit come here tell us say. All you have to do is to make somebody spot me and him and you show him picture out here and see where your blood clot gets. Me have your address so me know spot a Portland today and you can't hide. Because remember, say you take this a somebody for court, you take this girl a place to court, and you take all kind of people to court. We know your address, and we know where your house there. So it's on a like say we don't know by there. So that is not debatable if find you. Because me know me have your address. So me say let you know, him no have to answer you. Me will cuss for him. Cause it tore with it on Facebook. So when you over there chat all your fuckery, me just a laugh for you. Cause all of your people me over there write up something by your page. Me nah ask you. Them wish they would have in a position of me now. Them wish them would have what me have. And them wish them would have happy and stress free like a Marcia Campbell. Me nah ask you. Me nah ask you. You understand? Them wish they would be in a position like me, happy like me, and stress-free like me. Me nah ask you. And get to live them life like how me live my life and do what I want to do and treat myself. Me nah ask you. Where you over there sit down and chat a fuckery? You just look stupid and you look desperate. You have to talk that way because you want money to pay your bills. You don't even have no money if you got a doctor to look for your stinking pussy. You don't have no money to go to a dentist. When last you go do a breast examination? When last you go do a mammogram or go a GYN, go do a checkup? Yeah? With the little frowns, the tight up shots, then we have Anna. Yeah? Look how your fucking belly bang for your maga woman like you. Yeah? Look at you. A while ago, I see a top in a shadow show you up on the wall where you turn up. So you turn up a fixed wig and a look how in the mirror. Look how your shape. Your shape like a them blood clot, what they call it? Where look a green something? Where something where you fly? Where look a green something name? Where we used to fly around at Jamaica with some long leg. Where I would in favor. Me no know me tell us your shape just got crayfish. A black hog. The black them used to have some black crayfish when I grew up. It in a Jacob River. A dry river dry river it was in. And it the right under the mud. Want some black crayfish. I saw you look. I saw you look. Them same way you look like a crayfish them. You're ugly. You're cranny. Are you just jealous because the only thing you can get is a sucker wood? No man not going to a pussy we have. The man could have never forgive you. Because nothing under there. Me know say under there probably a drip right now. Drip like a blood clot Jamaica #1 eye stroke and think. And stink. Right under there right now. You need to go see one G1 doctor. You not tan good. Don't your ass lip. Look like say her piece name it off and deform it. See your lip them deform. For a woman, look how your lip them swell up and bumpy. See look like a herpes, a catch and all kind of something in your lip. For your lip deform and make them the start to bump them the start to lick. Then a woman lip not supposed to shape so. You shape like a blood clot gorilla. Don't a gorilla lip shape better than your own. So you can't talk nothing. You suck more dick until your mouth lean. Your mouth lean to the side. And when you smoke a cigarette, it gone all the way around the corner. You know see your blood clot face have stroke because you suck too much dick because you nobody know why you dirty pussy because your pussy embalm up already. You know say it dead. You know see your hashes a drop out of that ass. You can't talk to me. You can't talk about my man. What kind of man you have? A pure hole man you there with. Pure hole ugly man you there with. Ugly just like a you. You see last man will come out to your house and look like a chimpanzee. Look at you. Take a look at you in the mirror. Look at yourself and take a look at me. I went for me, yeah, they're hoping I'm fired. You can't look like me no time at all. No time at all. You can't talk to me no time at all. You is like a vomit and a hawk and spit. You understand? You come like a you need to go chuck off in one shit house. One whole toilet shit house at Jamaica. Oh, it's a shit in. And not even flush toilet, you know good for. The other day come and show and look up a bathroom, something. You not used to nothing. You don't have nothing. You come and talk to people, you have to depend on social media, call my name to get money to pay your bills. Your blood clot bills can't pay. If me sick tomorrow morning right now, me just call 911, ambulance come pick me up. Not touch money me not have to pay. MRI, EKG, cardiologist, every doctor, not a red cent. And you talking to me? If me want food right now, me can call me whole of sisters, them, my brother, them, everybody. You don't have nobody to call me, pick them no count you, bitch. Nobody no count you, I'll just sit down